How to backup and restore WhatsApp messages. Here is how. Initially open the WhatsApp. Then in the top right corner of your WhatsApp screen, tap the three-dot icon and choose Settings. Here select Chat from the Settings menu. Then scroll down and click on the Chat Backup. Moreover, click on the Google account and choose the account where you want your backup stored. If you don't see a preferred account, tap Add Account and sign in. Under the Automatic Backup, pick a frequency. You can choose from the given option. To include the videos in a backup, toggle the switch beside the Include Video. Once everything is set up, hit Backup. WhatsApp will automatically search for backup link to your Google account. If a backup is found, wait for the process to complete. This is how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages.